Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. In today's video, we are going to discuss some MCQ questions on Sarojini Naidu. Before starting, let us tell you a little about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was a distinguished Indian poet and political leader known for her lyrical poetry and pivotal role in the Indian independence movement. Born in Hyderabad, she was educated in England and became a prominent figure in Indian politics. Working closely with leaders like Gandhi and Nehru, she was the first woman to become a governor in independent India, serving as the governor of Uttar Pradesh from 1947 until her death. Naidu's poetry, celebrated for its vivid imagery and emotional depth, earned her the nickname Nightingale of India. Her legacy is marked by her contributions to literature and her role in shaping India's political landscape. Now, let us move on to the MCQs. The first question is: when was Sarojini Naidu born? Option A 1869, Option B 1879, Option C 1889, Option D 1899. The correct answer is Option B 1879. Move to the next question. In which city was Sarojini Naidu born? Option A Chennai, Option B Mumbai, Option C Hyderabad, Option D Kolkata. The correct answer is Option C Hyderabad. Moving to the next question. What was Sarojini Naidu's nickname? Option A the Nightingale of India, Option B the Iron Lady of India, Option C the Bard of Bengal, Option D the Heroine of India. The correct answer is Option A the Nightingale of India. Move to the next question. Which university did Sarojini Naidu attend in England? Option A Oxford University, Option B University of Cambridge, Option C University of London, Option D King's College London. The correct answer is Option D King's College London. Move to the next question. Which of these works is a collection of Sarojini Naidu's poem? Option A Gitanjali, Option B The Broken Wing, Option C The Wasteland, Option D Leaves of Grass. The correct answer is Option B The Broken Wing. Move to the next question. Sarojini Naidu was a follower of which Indian leader? Option A Mahatma Gandhi, Option B Jawaharlal Nehru, Option C Subhash Chandra Bose, Option D Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The correct answer is Option A Mahatma Gandhi. Move to the next question. Which year did Sarojini Naidu become the president of the Indian National Congress? Option A 1919, Option B 1925, Option C 1930, Option D 1935. The correct answer is Option B 1925. Move to the next question. Sarojini Naidu was the first woman to become the governor of which Indian state? Option A West Bengal, Option B Tamil Nadu, Option C Uttar Pradesh, Option D Maharashtra. The correct answer is Option C Uttar Pradesh. Move to the next question. What was the original name of Sarojini Naidu? Option A Sarojini Mitra, Option B Sarojini Chattopadhyay, Option C Sarojini Mukherjee, Option D Sarojini Das. The The correct answer is option B, Sarojini Chattopadhyay. Move to the next question. Which movement did Sarojini Naidu actively participate in during the 1920s and 1930s? Option A, non-cooperation movement. Option B, Quit India movement. Option C, civil disobedience movement. Option D, Swadeshi movement. The correct answer is option C, civil disobedience movement. Move to the next question. Sarojini Naidu's poetry mainly includes themes related to option A, political satire. Option B, Indian culture and heritage. Option C, romanticism and nature. Option D, war and peace. The correct answer is option D, B, Indian culture and heritage. Move to the next question. When did Sarojini Naidu pass away? Option 1947. Option B, 1949. Option C, 1950. Option D, 1952. The correct answer is option C, 1949. Move to the next question. Which famous poem by Sarojini Naidu starts with the queen she went her daughter to a garden fair and sweet? Option A, The Gift of India. Option B, The Palanquin Bearers. Option C, Village Song. Option D, The Queen's Rival. The correct answer is option D, The Queen's Rival. Move to the next question. Sarojini Naidu was awarded which British honour before India's independence? Option A, Dam Commander of the Order of the British Empire. Option B, Order of the Star of India. Option C, Order of the Indian Empire. Option D, Knight Commander of the Order of the Bath. The correct answer is option A, Dame Commander of the Order of the British Empire. Move to the next question. Sarojini Naidu was also a strong advocate for option A, industrialization. Option B, women's rights. Option C, technological advancements. Option D, environmental conservation. The correct answer is option B, women's rights. Move to the next question. Which of the following is not a work by Sarojini Naidu? Option A, The Golden Threshold. Option B, The Bird of Time. Option C, The Broken Wing. Option D, The Wandering Minstrel. The correct answer is option D, The Wandering Minstrel. Move to the next question. In which year did Sarojini Naidu become the governor of Uttar Pradesh? Option 1947. Option B, 1948. Option C, 1949. Option D, 1950. The correct answer is option A, 1947. Move to the next question. Sarojini Naidu was a part of which major global event as a representative of India? Option A, United Nations General Assembly. Option B, Roundtable Conferences. Option C, Paris Peace Conference. Option D, League of Nations Assembly. The correct answer is option B, Roundtable Conferences. Move to the next question. Who inspired Sarojini Naidu to join the Indian independence movement? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option D, Rabindranath Tagore. The correct answer is option B, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Move to the next question. What is the central theme of Sarojini Naidu's poem The Gift of India? Option A, Nature's Beauty. Option B, Indian Soldier Sacrifice. Option C, traditional Indian festivals. Option D, love and romance. The correct answer is option B, Indian soldier sacrifice. Move to the next question. Sarojini Naidu was completely associated with which social cause besides independence? Option A, education reform. Option B, healthcare. Option C, social justice. Option D, women's empowerment. The correct answer is option D, women's empowerment. Move to the next question. Which title was Sarojini Naidu given in recognition of her poetic talent? Option A, the Poet of India. Option B, the Nightingale of India. Option C, the Bard of the East. Option D, the Songbird of India. The correct answer is option B, the Nightingale of India. Move to the next question. Which poem by Sarojini Naidu celebrates the spirit and culture of India? Option A, Coromandel Fishers. Option B, The Lotus. Option C, The Queen's Rival. Option D, In the Bazaars of Hyderabad. The correct answer is option D, In the Bazaars of Hyderabad. Move to the next question. What role did Sarojini Naidu play during the Salt March? Option A, she was a key organizer. Option B, she led a group of marchers. Option C, she gave speeches to support the march. Option D, she wrote about the march. The correct answer is option B, she led a group of marchers. Move to the next question. In which city did Sarojini Naidu die? Option A, New Delhi. Option B, Lucknow. Option C, Mumbai. Option D, Hyderabad. The correct answer is option B, Lucknow. Move to the next question. Which form of literature is Sarojini Naidu most renowned for? Option A, novels. Option B, short stories. Option C, poetry. Option D, essays. The correct answer is option C, poetry. Move to the next question. What was the focus of Sarojini Naidu's work, The Bird of Time? Option A, colonial struggle. Option B, Indian folklore. Option C, personal reflections. Option D, love and death. The correct answer is option D, love and death. Move to the next question. Sarojini Naidu was married to Option A, Dr. Govind Naidu. Option B, Dr. Muthalya Govindarajulu Naidu. Option C, Dr. Raghupati Naidu. Option D, Dr. Rajesh Naidu. The correct answer is option B, Dr. Muthiala Govindarajulu Naidu. Move to the next question. Which educational scholarship did Sarojini Naidu receive to study in England? Option A, Rhodes Scholarship. Option B, Cambridge Scholarship. Option C, MacArthur Fellowship. Option D, Nizam Scholarship. The correct answer is option D, Nizam Scholarship. Move to the next question. Sarojini Naidu's efforts in the freedom struggle included Option A, leading armed revolts. Option B, organizing boycotts and protests. Option C, serving in the British Parliament. Option D, writing revolutionary pamphlets. The correct answer is option B, organizing boycotts and protests. Move to the next question. What is the name of Sarojini Naidu's collection that includes poems about Indian landscapes? Option A, The Broken Wing. Option B, The Golden Threshold. Option C, The Feather of the Dawn. Option D, The Indian Scene. The correct answer is option B, The Golden Threshold. Move to the next question. Sarojini Naidu played a pivotal role in which organization for women? Option A, National Federation of Indian Women. Option B, Women Indian Association. Option C, All India Women's Conference. Option D, Indian Women's Movement. The correct answer is option C, All India Women's Conference. Move on to the next question. Which year was The Golden Threshold published? Option 1905. Option B, 1912. Option C, 1915. Option D, 1920. The correct answer is option A, 1905. Move on to the next question. Sarojini Naidu's works are best known for their option A, political undertones. Option B, romanticism and lyrical quality. Option C, philosophical depth. Option D, historical significance. The correct answer is option B, romanticism and lyrical quality. Move on to the next question. What was a major theme in Sarojini Naidu's early poetry? Option A, British colonialism. Option B, mysticism and nature. Option C, industrialization. Option D, urban life. The correct answer is option B, mysticism and nature. Move on to the next question. Sarojini Naidu was the first Indian woman to become the president of option A, Indian National Congress. Option B, All India Trade Union Congress. Option C, Bharatiya Janata Party. Option D, All India Students Federation. The correct answer is option A, Indian National Congress. Move on to the next question. Which book by Sarojini Naidu reflects on Indian festivals and seasons? Option A, The Bird of Time. Option B, The Broken Wing. Option C, The Feather of the Dawn. Option D, The Indian Scene. The correct answer is option A, The Bird of Time. Move to the next question. Sarojini Naidu's father was a option A, lawyer. Option B, scientist. Option C, physician. Option D, mathematician. The correct answer is option D, mathematician. Move to the next question. Sarojini Naidu's mother was known for her option A, political activism. Option B, literary works. Option C, social reforms. Option D, artistic skills. The correct answer is option B, literary works. Move to the next question. Sarojini Naidu participated in which significant event in 1930? Option A, Dandi March. Option B, Non-Cooperation Movement. Option C, Chori Chora Incident. Option D, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. The correct answer is option A, Dandi March. Move to the next question. Which title did the British government award to Sarojini Naidu for a contribution to the literature? Option A, Companion of the Order of the Star of India. Option B, Companion of the Order of the Indian Empire. Option C, Commander of the Order of the British Empire. Option D, Dam Commander of the Order of the British Empire. The correct answer is option D, Dam Commander Order of the British Empire. Move on to the next question. What was Sarojini Naidu's contribution to the Round Table Conferences? Option A, she represented Indian women. Option B, she advocated for labor rights. Option C, she negotiated trade terms. Option D, she discussed education reforms. The correct answer is option A, she represented Indian women. Move on to the next question. Which movement was Sarojini Naidu part of that aimed to break the SALT law? Option A, non-cooperation movement. Option B, civil disobedience movement. Option C, Quit India movement. Option D, Home Rule movement. The correct answer is option B, civil disobedience movement. Move to the next question. Sarojini Naidu's speeches were known for their option A, scientific accuracy. Option B, poetic and persuasive quality. Option C, aggressive tone. Option D, technical details. The correct answer is option B, poetic and persuasive quality. Move to the next question. Which famous Indian leader described Sarojini Naidu as the Nightingale of India? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C, Rabindranath Tagore. Option D, Sardar Patel. The correct answer is option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Move on to the next question. Sarojini Naidu was actively involved in which cause apart from the freedom struggle? Option A, child labour laws. Option B, education reform. Option C, women's suffrage. Option D, environmental protection. The correct answer is option C, women's suffrage. Move to the next question. Which of these is a prominent theme in Sarojini Naidu's poetry? Option A, urbanization. Option B, science and technology. Option C, Indian culture and nature. Option D, political change. The correct answer is option C, Indian culture and nature. Move to the next question. What was Sarojini Naidu's role in the establishment of the Indian Women's Association? Option A, founder. Option B, president. Option C, secretary. Option D, treasurer. The correct answer is option A, founder. Move to the next question. What is the title of Sarojini Naidu's collection that includes poems of patriotism and nationalism? Option A, The Broken Wing. Option B, The Bird of Time. Option C, The Feather of the Dawn. Option D, The Indian Scene. The correct answer is option C, The Feather of the Dawn. Move to the next question. Which major international event did Sarojini Naidu attend in 1919? Option A, Paris Peace Conference. Option B, Round Table Conference. Option C, League of Nations Assembly. Option D, Non-Aligned Movement Summit. The correct answer is option A, Paris Peace Conference. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Knowledge Library.